I have no problem in saying I am a complete rock hound. I have a feeling that I'm not portraying my personality in my vlogs, so I need to work on that. I also need to work on taking you guys out into where I live in my community. So that's basically in town instead of in my room all the time, which is quite possibly why I'm outside. So I was hoping to have a new laptop by probably next week, but I can't right now because my parents have been looking for a new car and I have to pay at least half the shares on the existing car they have. So that works around at $800, and I did do a transfer from $500 from my savings accounts to my normal account, which I use every day, and then I would have brought the computer, but my parents have found a new car. It's a Ford Falcon. It's not the flashiest, the newest. It doesn't care to us how old it is, it does care on how it runs. That's the only thing we care about, but I've been noticing that there's a lot of European cars, these flash expensive European cars which up here don't fit in. A Ford Falcon will fit in, but not these Jags and Volvos. And I think I know why Volvos are so popular now, so thanks to Twice. So I'm thinking of keeping my existing Celerion laptop, which is not very well equipped for video editing, and using that as my primary video editor until I reach the Moments with Sherlock vlog 100, and then I may do something special on that in that vlog. I don't know, so I'll probably confirm what I'm thinking of doing in vlog 50. So this is a quick update, but if you ever heard of The Little Train That Could, which talks about optimism and hard work, this Celerion laptop will be similar to that, and I'm thinking it's not that well equipped for editing videos, but I have to keep positive and know that it will do the job eventually. It is slow. That's the downside of Celerions, they're not very good, but this work for these editing vlogs is not the greatest work for us, and it's very graphic intensive, and it's not a graphic intensive laptop, it's a business laptop, so it's going to be the little train that could, and probably get slow at when I edit 100 videos on it. It'll be 111. Adios, see you next time.